out here. Yeah. It's dark. I can't see a thing. What's gonna happen to our camp?
Hey, I know.
A dump.
You taking a movie?
Yeah, I did. I'm making a video now. Pretty wild Cape trip.
Oh my god, the car is full of bushes. Like that there on the left.
Yeah, on the road. Oh no.
Oh, there's turtles there, back. Back.
There's a lot of debris on the road. Is it here that oh, there's a wood in there. Oops, careful.
Did you take a photo?
Yeah, I did. I just took a video.
I love this wrong side back.
You pop have to ride in the middle. Got too many debris on the road. Go back, turning. Take a video on that. Can you do a high beam way?
What?
Just to take a video there. Where we're staying.
You know, it's still video now.
Yeah. Cape trip. Thanks, Bob. Yeah. Beauty. God. That's the one in there. Hi guys, we have very bad weather last night, and driving back into our camp, this tree fell off, and very lucky we managed to drive past it, and we just get hit by, I'm pretty sure maybe just this one, just that piece. It just caught us with that branch and caused few damage on the back of the car. And we're very lucky that we just made it. We didn't even know it's gonna bloody break. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. The bloody tree came out of the root came out of the ground. The entire tree. Shit. So we already contacted the caretaker of the camping ground. They said they're gonna come and chop it up, or else everyone can't get out today. And we have a long way to drive back to Cairns. Pretty sure the road, some part of the road is gonna have a lot of trees falling on the road, as we have very bad weather last night. It was very windy. All of us didn't sleep well as we camped under the tree, and yeah, after what happened last night about this branch falling on the car. Yeah.